Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and if you're new, welcome. I am glad that you're here and hope that you will stick around. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for February 20th through the 26th. You can see I have some items in front of me. I have my mild liner marker highlighter here, and then my ruler to cut my washi. I pulled these two washi tapes out there from Cocoa Daisy. I want to try to utilize them this week. I love these. They're one of my favorites. And then I also pulled out some stickers. Now, I've had these Paper Minty Studio sticker sheets for quite some time, and I decided, why not use them this week? I also ordered some kits from More Plans, and I just received them. So I'm going to use some of these as well. And I felt like these colors all went together. So this is the plan. I'm going to use all of these. Again, I want to try to use these washi tapes. I'm not sure if they're going to completely go with the sticker theme, but we'll see what I can do and how they will work. So in front of me, I have the A5 Designs by Planner Perfect leather. It is the Cora. Now, the Cora is my all-time favorite leather that Designs by Planner Perfect offers so far. I mean, there are runner-ups and contenders, but so my first wide leather from Planner Perfect was Cora. And then when I switched to A5, I knew I had to get Cora first. And so I'm going to be in her for quite some time. So there's just not many A5 options available right now with Planner Perfect, but I think she's working on getting more options available. And at that point, then I'll decide if I want to just stick with Cora or if I want to branch out and get something else for a variety. We'll see. I know that my Planner Perfect wide leather stash kind of got out of control, and I have been selling most of those because I don't foresee myself going back into wide. All right, let's talk pens, because my last video, I asked you guys for recommendations on what pens work best in the Hobonichi. Now, are you even surprised that I went back to my ballpoint pen? I have found that a lot of the pens work really nice on the Hobonichi paper, but I am just a ballpoint pen person, true and true. So I found that the fine tip tool pen works the best for me. I know we all have our own different opinions, and I appreciate every one of you who wrote on my comments or messaged me on Instagram about your favorite pens. There was even a sweet, I want to say follower because she follows me on Instagram, but a subscriber who sent me some pens and just a whole bunch of other goodies. So you know who you are, and I thank you so, so much. And the pens that she sent me, those were great. And I actually have one of them in my purse. And some pens that I ordered to try, I wasn't a huge fan, but I just kept going back to my ballpoint pen. I also have the medium tip tool pen that I use in here. I find that the medium tip writes more like a gel pen, in my opinion. The fine tip works really well in the Hobonichi weeks because it is a finer tip for that smaller area. So right now, this is what it is. It's the tool fine tip pen. All right, let's go ahead and open up. Let's give myself some room here. I still have everything set up the same with my sticky notes. It's getting smaller because I am using them. And my Planner Perfect stickers back here. And then I have my dashboards. If you watched my last video, I went over everything new and all the changes I made. So make sure you watch that video if you're wondering why some things are missing or things are different. if you watch that video, then you'll find out the reason why. All right, the first thing I want to do is check my monthly spread to see if there's anything I need to make note of. So today is actually Friday the 17th, and I need to add in a note here. We have the CC Science Fair. So next year, my oldest will be in Challenge A, and so they do a science fair there, and we were invited to come and see how it works and just watch it, which I really do want to take my son to do that. And then we have the week here. So let me just update that before I get started on the 20th through the 26th. So that is going to be, let's see, I think it's down here, like 5, 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go CC Science Fair. Okay. Now he didn't go to that. I didn't write what we had for dinner last night. So we had enchilada burritos. So it's totally okay to back plan a little bit. If you didn't fill in that night or anything, you can just catch up the next day, and that is completely fine. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my pages, and I will be back. All right, I am back. I am finished with my pages, and I have to say, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. So this is the weekly spread. I thought that these stickers just went beautifully with the colors of the More Plans kit. So the Paper Minty Studio and More Plans, the colors just went perfect together. So I have a section for this week, and I am going to put my husband's schedule here. And then I added this little tracker thing on the side. This one is meant for the weeks, the Hobonichi weeks, but I kind of made it work for the cousin. I'm not sure what I'll track here. I will kind of think about it this weekend and then figure that out. I put all of our important things that we have, the weather, and then we're going to the mountains this week. I marked it on this monthly calendar, but I'm not sure if we're going to be leaving any sooner than that. So I didn't put anything down on this page. I just noticed I have this sticker. Might work right here. Okay, so I have my little bullet points here in case I need to write down the important things for that day, and then the dinners. And then on the daily pages, I went ahead and added some washi and stickers, and then day of the week stickers up here. I'm gonna try something new where, oops, I forgot to highlight this one. I am going to have a section for today, and this is going to be timed events that have to get done. I may even put our homeschool schedule there, I don't know. My pages are always changing and moving around until I find my groove and how I want to do things. So I'm just going to flip through. Just super simple right now. And that's it. Now I realized as I was doing this, there's only 2 extra days. I should have planned those as well, but I left them blank. I will worry about that in the next plan with me. Just because I didn't want it to be the same. I might just do it a little bit different and then switch into March. I'm not sure. All right. I think that's all I have to do with you guys here today. I hope that you enjoyed this Plan With Me weekly setup. If you have any questions, please let me know below and I will be happy to answer them for you. I so appreciate you all being here and thank you for tuning in and watching my videos weekly. I hope you all have a wonderful week and happy planning. See you all on the next video. Bye.